Hi,
Hello,
I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first day?
Yes, it is. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's a nice place.
Thanks. That helps.
Do you want to sit here?
Sure, thank you.
Where are you from, Ben?
I'm from Springville. It's a small town.
I know Springville. It's pretty there.
You know it? That's cool.
Yeah, I live here in the city.
The city is big. It's very different.
You will like it. There's lots to do.
I hope so.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to read books and draw.
You draw? That's amazing.
Thanks. It's just a hobby.
I wish I could draw. I like sports.
What sports do you play?
I play soccer. It's my favorite.
I'm not good at soccer.
I can teach you sometime.
Really? That would be fun.
Of course. What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure stories.
Me too. We should swap books.
I'd like that. Do you have a favorite?
I like the Star Runner series.
No way! I love those books.
Really? My favorite character is Leo.
Mine is Zara. She's so brave.
This is great. We like the same things.
Yeah, it is great.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Let's go to the cafe. I'll show you.
Okay, lead the way.
Their pizza is very good.
I love pizza.
Perfect. My treat today.
You don't have to do that.
I want to, for my new friend.
Thank you, Alex. You were very kind.
It's nothing. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm glad I met you today.
Hi there.
Oh, hello.
I'm Chloe. What's your name?
I'm Daisy. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your dog?
Yes, this is Buster.
Oh, he's so cute. Can I pet him?
Of course. He's very friendly.
Good boy, Buster. You're a good boy.
He likes you.
I have a dog too. His name is Max.
Really? What kind is he?
He's a golden retriever. He loves to run.
Buster is a corgi. He has short legs.
Oh, he's adorable. Do you come here often?
This is our first time. We just moved here.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. It seems nice.
It is. The park is great for dogs.
I can see that. Buster's very happy.
Where did you move from?
From a city far away.
That's a big change. Do you like it here?
So far, yes. It's very quiet and green.
I'm glad. It's a good place.
Me too.
What do you like to do, Daisy?
I like walking, painting, and cooking.
You paint? That's so cool.
Thanks. It helps me relax.
I like to bake and make cookies sometimes.
I love cookies. What's your favorite kind?
Chocolate chip. Always.
The best kind.
We should have a baking day.
I would love that.
Maybe you can paint and I can bake.
That sounds like a perfect day.
Do you want to walk together?
Sure. Let's go this way.
Look, Buster's running with another dog.
He's making friends too.
Just like us.
Yes, just like us.
Are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
We could have our baking and painting day.
That sounds wonderful. I'm excited.
Me too. Here's my number.
Thanks, Chloe. I'm really happy we met.
Hi. Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm Liam.
I'm Noah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. New school, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit big.
I know. I got lost twice already.
Me too, before first period.
Glad it's not just me. What class do you have next?
I have math. Room 204.
Seriously? Me too.
No way! That's great!
We can walk together.
Perfect. I hate walking in alone.
Same here. Do you like video games?
Yeah, I play all the time.
What's your favorite game?
Probably Galaxy Quest.
Shut up. That's my favorite game.
You're kidding. What level are you on?
Proudly, level 78, the ice planet.
That level is so hard. I'm stuck there.
I can help you. I beat it last week.
That would be awesome.
Do you want to come over after school?
Really? Yeah, for sure.
Cool. I'll text you my address.
Great.
Do you like video games?
I like superhero movies.
Which one is the best?
The Guardians, Part 3.
Yes, the best one.
Finally, someone who agrees.
We have the same taste.
It seems like it.
Do you like sports?
Not really. I'm more into games.
That's cool. Me too.
Who's your favorite Galaxy Quest character?
He's funny and brave.
Same. He's the best.
This is crazy.
I know. It's like we're the same person.
The bell is about to ring.
Ready for math?
More ready with a friend.
Yeah, me too. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi.
Is this book any good?
It's my favorite.
Really? I was thinking of reading it.
You should. It's a great story. I'm Emma, by the way. I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you come here often?
Every Saturday. I love reading.
Me too. It's my happy place.
What kind of books do you like?
Mostly mystery stories. Oh, I love mysteries too. That's wonderful.
Do you want to sit and talk?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Have you read many books from this section?
Almost all of them.
Maybe you can recommend some?
I'd love to. What do you like?
Stories with strong detectives.
Then you'll love this one.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
It's my pleasure.
Do you like writing too?
Actually, yes, I write short stories.
That's so cool.
It's just for fun.
I'd love to read one sometime.
Really? That would be nice.
Maybe we could start a book club.
That's a great idea.
Just 2 people to start?
Perfect. We can meet here. Every Saturday? That works for me.
Should we choose our first book?
Let's read this one together.
Okay, we can talk about it next week.
I'm already excited.
Me too. It's nice to find a reading friend.
Yes, it really is.
Do you want to get some coffee? There's a cafe next door.
Let's go. I'll tell you about my stories.
And I'll tell you about my favorite books.
This is the beginning of a great friendship.
Hi. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day volunteering.
Cool. I'm Jake.
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Need any help?
Actually, yes. I'm not sure what to do.
I can show you. It's easy.
Thank you. That's kind.
Do you like gardening?
I love plants, but I'm still learning.
That's okay. We all start somewhere.
What's your favorite plant here?
The sunflowers. They're so happy.
I love them too. They're so bright.
See, you already have good taste.
Thanks. What should I water first?
Let's start with the vegetables.
Okay. These tomatoes look good.
We can pick some later if you want.
Really? That would be nice.
Do you cook with fresh vegetables?
Sometimes. I'm learning to cook too.
Me too. I make good salads.
Maybe we can swap recipes.
That would be fun.
Do you work here every week?
Every Saturday morning.
Maybe I'll see you here next week too.
I hope so.
The soil feels nice and soft.
That means it's healthy.
I'm learning so much already.
You're a fast learner.
It's because I have a good teacher.
Thanks. You're making me blush.
It's true.
Want to see the herb garden?
Yes, please. I love herbs.
We have basil, mint, rosemary.
They smell amazing.
Here, try some mint.
Wow, so fresh.
Nothing like fresh from the garden.
This is better than store-bought.
Everything tastes better when you grow it.
I think I'm going to love gardening.
I can tell. You have a green thumb.
Oh, you really think so?
I know so. Welcome to the garden, Mia.
Thanks, Jake. This feels like a new beginning.